Okay, we're on problem number 16, and it's f of x equals the sine of x. Kind of a recurring theme, isn't it? A is the center of it at minus pi. All right? So let's write it down. And, write down the derivative. Cosine of x. F double prime minus sine of x. F triple prime is going to be minus cosine of x. The fourth derivative, we're back home again. We're at sine x again. All right, let's write this over here. F at minus pi. Well, for the sine function, that's going to be 0. Let me remind you what we're looking at. The sine function looks like this over here. So at minus pi, it's this one over here. The cosine function looks like this over here. So it's going to be minus 1 there. All right? So let's do that over here. F prime at minus pi is going to be minus 1. F double prime at minus pi. Again, we're going through this list over here. That's going to be 0. F triple prime of minus pi. That's going to be 1. And then we get F4 of pi, minus pi, I'm sorry, is going to be 0. All right, you get the feel for it. It's alternating in pattern. All right, so also missing terms too, like 0, 0, 0, all over the place. All right, so write this down. F of x, that equals sine of x. And we can start writing this down. So, the first term, let's write down 0, and then I got this over here. It's going to be x plus pi to the 0 power over 0 factorial minus, what's going to be 1 over 1 factorial times x plus pi to the first power. Got this one over here. Next term's 0. I'll write it down, though. Plus 0 over 2 factorial x plus pi to the 2. Then you're going to get what? 1. And that's going to be over 3 factorial x plus pi to the 3. I think you get the idea. This goes on. Let's write this over here in a more compact way. The sum. All right, so we're going to start at 0 and go off to infinity. The first thing I do is you get the alternating pattern to this, and I'm seeing it's starting out with a negative number, so I'm going to put minus 1, and I can't start with n there because that would give you just a 1, so I got to put an n plus 1 now. All right, now I'm looking at the powers, and I'm seeing they're odd. All right, so let's write this down over here. X plus pi, and I'm going to say they're going up by 2, so 2n plus 1. Let me just check that. When n is 0, I get 1. When n is 1, I'd get 3. So that works out okay. And let's go to the bottom. And what I notice about the bottom, it's just the exponent factorial. That's all it is. So it's going to be 2n plus 1 factorial. Again, we've done sine before. The radius for this thing is infinity, and the interval for this is going to be minus infinity to infinity. All right, let's get our little red pen out, and let's take a look at the answer key. I'm actually staring at it right now. I got that. Got this. Got this. Got this. Yep, everything's moving along as expected. Thank you.